Hey dolls, it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I focus on entrepreneurship, fashion, and lifestyle. So on today's video, I am super excited. By the time you guys see this video, it will actually be my birthday, New Year's Eve. So excited. This package couldn't have come at a better time. But before we do the unboxing, let's have a really quick chit chat. If you've been wanting to do YouTube and everything in the world has stopped you, I literally just started myself. And for years, I wanted to do YouTube, but I was making so many excuses. One, I didn't have the right equipment. Two, I didn't want to deal with negativity. Three, I didn't think anyone would like me or even be interested in anything that I had to talk about. I had so many excuses. So we're going to do a quick rundown on where I started to my unboxing today. So after the intro, we're going to get right into talking about where I started to this unboxing today. All right, guys, so let's talk about it. So when I got started in YouTube, I went on Amazon and plugged in, and y'all don't laugh at me, I had no idea what I needed. So I went to YouTube and I put in vlogging camera for YouTube. A whole bunch of different ideas, different things popped up. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money because I didn't know if it was going to be something that I would do long term. So I bought this little vlogging camera, which I'm going to list everything down below with links so you can check them out for yourself. It retailed for like, I think a little over $100. I'll insert a picture of it here so you can see it. This one. This is what I bought. So when it came, I was super excited. Like, I'm ready to do this. Let me see what I need to do to film my first video. I was highly disappointed. I mean, don't get me wrong. It was a good little camera, but it wasn't crisp. It wasn't clean like what I was used to seeing on YouTube. It did take pretty good pictures, but you would have to do a lot of editing before it actually looked like quality pictures. So I was like, I can't do this. I can't use this. So I started doing a little research, and mind you, I didn't have a lot of money to put into something I didn't know I was going to do long term. So I bought another camera. I bought a Canon PowerShot with a flip screen so I could see myself. I'll insert a picture of it. Nice, right? Nothing's wrong with this camera. I absolutely loved it. It takes great pictures. It's easy to use. I used it for a good bit of my videos, but I still wasn't getting the very clean, crisp HD videos that I wanted. So what I'm using now is my Android Galaxy, and I've been using it for a few months, and it's easier to me because it gives the quality that I've been looking for. So I recently sold camera 1 and 2. While I'm still using my cell phone, though, I did some research within my budget. Oh, and I'm sorry, let me go back. That PowerShot, I think it retails for like $200 to $300. Very affordable. So if you're just starting out, it is a really good camera. Don't get me wrong. It's a great camera. It just wasn't what I was looking for. And, I wanted a camera that not only that was going to be great for YouTube, it was going to be great for vlogging, and it was going to be great for pictures for Instagram and for my own business. So after all the research I've done, including my budget, I decided to get the Canon EOS M50. So it has great reviews. It's amazing cameras for beginners. So I've been doing so much. Y'all know me, the homework research queen, on how to work this thing because I'm not a photographer. I don't have any skills, we have to deal with this baby here at the moment. It's driving me insane. But anyway, so I bought this camera because they said it is beginner friendly. So I'm so super excited to open this box. I purchased this camera from Best Buy, but you can also get it from Amazon. Of course, I'll put the link to the Amazon camera below so you can purchase it if you like. So we're gonna open it today. I'm so excited because it's like my birthday gift to myself. I just cannot wait to start using this camera for my everyday use. Instagram, YouTube, my business. Y'all just don't know. I literally been tracking this thing since I purchased it on the 23rd. All right, so let's get into it. And after I played with it for a little while, you know, I'll let y'all know how it works and if it is beginner friendly and if it is everything that everybody says it is. And make sure you subscribe so that way you can get the tea on this camera if you're interested in getting a really good vlogging camera. All right, guys, so this is what is on the inside. And I got some more things coming too. I want to show you guys. We're still waiting on a few things, but I'm going to show you. I purchased a mic for this camera too, so I'm going to show you guys that too. So this is the box, my EOS M50. And there were some different lenses that you could have choose when it was time to check out. But I went with the lens kit. They call this the lens kit that comes with it. The other ones are pretty expensive. So this camera actually retails between $700 to $800. So for the price, I'm hoping it is amazing. So today we're just gonna open it up and just take a look. I'm not gonna do anything else. We're just gonna take a look at her and just see what all you get when you purchase your EOS M50. So, of course, you get these goodies in here. You get a manual, which I've then downloaded so much information on how to use this camera. I don't really think I'm going to need any of this stuff. All right, so what we get. Like a kid in a candy store. What an amazing birthday gift to myself. All right, so you got your Canon strap. Then you have your battery. It only comes with the one battery, but on Amazon you can order a few more of these, and by charging, it's like charging your cell phone, but you can put multiple chargers in there. So because it only holds about 30 minutes to an hour before this battery dies, I hear. So it's probably really a good idea to get more of these, but I have some coming on the way. Next up, let's see, what is this? Oh, it is the charger for the one that I'm going to get off of Amazon. It looks just like this, but it has 3 of these. Hi, son. What's up? What's going on? Now, you guys already know I'm a mama, so the Messiah likes to make his appearance sometimes. But matter of fact, do mommy a favor. Can you go get my microphone? Thank you. So, I'm about to, where's my lens? But here it is, guys. My new baby. I was trying to figure out a name for it. You know you got to name the things you love, right? Like your car and stuff like that. Thanks, boo. So here it is. It's so lightweight. Fits, y'all excuse these nails. It fits right into my hand. It has the flip screen. Let's look at the lens for this thing. And I'm definitely going to get a new lens, but if you want to just start right out, they say this lens is fine, but for a wider angle, you need to get a different lens. And the lens for this camera that I want, it's about $500 for the lens itself. So I think I'll be using this one for a while. But here's the lens kit that comes with it. we're going to go ahead and pop this thing right on so we can just see what it's going to look like. So I've taken off the lens for both. And from experience, you're to line up, I don't know if you can see it, this white with, where it is, that white right there. You put them together and then you turn. And there she goes. And also, purchased from Amazon. And I'll put the link to this as well because it has a internal mic already. But I did a couple of videos, watched a couple of videos where they showed the difference from using a mic, an internal mic, and just having a mic like this actually makes it sound better. So this is how it came. It actually has another piece. Hold on one second. Let me go grab that piece real quick. All right, so I went and grabbed the other piece that came with it. So this is the mic by itself. It comes with, you can use the fluff to cover, or it's just a preference and I'm not really sure how the sound is going to be different. Or it has this one, so you can use this one. I'm going to play with them just to see which one I like the best. Or this one. And just for looks alone, I like this one. Matches my hat. So anyway, let me put this back on. We're going to slide it on the camera just to see what it's giving. Alright, and this fluff is not as easy to put on as the other one. Pause, please. Alright, so that's on. And it has right here for the microphone. You just plug it in. Oops. And then slide this one. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm sure that's what I was told. Give me a second. This is real. This is happening. I'm literally figuring it out in front of you guys for the first time. All right. Now, here's what it's given. And this piece is kind of annoying right here, but they said is how it's going to be. So, when you're filming, oh, can't even turn it. But you absolutely have to do that last. Turn your camera first and then plug this in. Voila! It's ready. Y'all just don't know how ready I am. I'm so ready. I'm in love with this camera already. And lastly, make sure you grab yourself, I have a ton of them, but SD cards. And that's all you need to get started. So I cannot wait to start playing with this camera and all the features and sharing them with you guys. So if you choose to get the M50, I can help you with tips and tricks from what I've experienced with it. So before I go, you guys, 2020 is out of here. Literally in a day, it's out of here. How exciting is that? This has been like literally the most stressful year ever. I'm looking forward to 2021, praying that it's going to be a better year for the whole world. The whole world. Not just me, the whole world. So with that said, Happy New Year's to you guys. Happy 2021. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch the growth. I'm here to share the ups, down, if it worked, if it didn't. I'm bringing to you 2021 hauls, beauty, family and friends vlogs, entrepreneurship. I'm giving you resources. We're going to be all over the place. Who said you can't have a channel where you can be all over the place? And not only am I hauling my own boutique, I'm hauling everybody. I don't judge me. I'm hauling everybody. So like I said, subscribe. Because we doing things, even a little bit of travel. I got some things on my wish list for next year. So hopefully I can share them with you guys. All right, you guys be safe. And I'll see everybody in 2021. Peace out.